big guy. Watch out, they gon' feel us when we roll. They call them big guy. Okay. And we be putting on for sure. And if you know this, join in, subscribe to the channel.
Alright family, we are going to do today some chili cheese egg rolls. So let's go ahead and get started. I pray you guys are doing well. Thank you for joining. If you're just watching the video, please like and subscribe. And consider joining the family. We'd love to have you.
Onion. You guys just started.
Gonna go with some bell pepper. These guys all cut up. All right, here we go. Go ahead and get this meat started for this chili. We're gonna do a homemade chili. Go ahead and add some bell pepper and onion to the bag. Add a little seasoning for the meat. And I don't really have salt, so I'm just using some Creole seasoning that has a little salt in it. Just gonna add a little flavor to the meat. And use a little accent. We're gonna run some pepper to get it started. Yeah, baby. I gotta got the meat going. I'm gonna leave it a little bit chunky since I'm gonna put it in these egg rolls. But I also like to add some sausages. So I went ahead and chop some of these up. I'm gonna add a few. Just a few. Just a few. So these are little smokies. I'm making a bigger chili aside from this video, so that's the reason why I have the rest of them over there. So let these guys cook up, taste the meat, make sure it's how I like it, and then we'll be ready for the next. Guys, we're gonna go with diced tomatoes next. Go with 2 cans of that. Colors. I normally put beans in my chili. I will, but I'm not gonna put them in an egg roll. So this is gonna have to wait. So I'm going to pack a chili seasoning, making it easy. I could have went with some cumin and some chili powder and all that stuff. Just gonna make it easy on myself. Get these guys together and stir. It smells really good. That's really good. And from here, I normally add chili powder or maybe some cumin, onion powder. I'm just gonna taste it to see how it tastes. And if I go ahead and do the full-blown chili, I'll go ahead and add tomato sauce, some actual tomatoes, black beans, pinto beans, some red beans, etc., etc., etc. Some jalapeno. Alright guys, you've seen my previous egg roll videos, and it's very similar to that. But so this time, I'm gonna try to do it with one hand. Cause I got y'all watching me. You know what I'm saying? Got y'all watching me. Got the chili with no beans. You can make this mixture how you like. I just like the sausage because I feel like it gives me a sweet flavor. Chili cheese, very, 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 very easy. And then we're gonna fold it. See if I can show you guys with one hand for the party people. Bring it in, have them touch. There you go. Bring this guy up like here. Looks like an envelope. Yeah, I'm gonna have to put my hands on this, guys. You guys get the gist of it. So let me bring that party in here. I need both my hands for this, mate. There you go. There you go. Button with this so to stick. There you go. Just tuck it tight. And bam. I just want to let your filling cool off a little bit. Cheese. peppering my jalapeños. Yeah. It's gonna have a little kick to it. Nice little finger. A bowl of water. Some people use flour and water. But I tell you, this is already flour, so I think it ought to be fine. Okay. All right. Bring up the sides. I thought these things were double. That's what I was trying to figure out. They were 2 or 1. Get them tucked up right here. And there's one hand, and bring that guy up. And you roll. You roll, baby, roll. Come on in. Alright guys, here we go, here we go, here we go. I like to put mine in the freezer so they can make sure they're together. They won't come apart in the oil. So here we go for 5 minutes. Right, for anybody who's interested, I'm gonna take the rest of this meat here and I'm gonna actually make this chili. So this is my lineup for the chili. Very simple, very easy. Very simple, very easy. And of course you gotta have the jalapeños. So that'll be the lineup for the chili. Hey guys, pinto beans. This is for the chili, the regular chili. This is black beans, tomato sauce, a bit of mustard here, dash of mustard, and some crystals, baby. There we go. And a few of these jalapeños. I put more than that, but just stir. Nice, meaty chili, easy, something fast. It's just a quick, but you know, if you have leftovers, if you decide to do this recipe, something you have leftover, man. Something quick. Oh, I love chili. I love it, love it, love it. I probably shouldn't have made this because I'm eating the whole pot. But hey, you know, look at that. Okay, simmer. And then you go from there. Oh. And you taste it to flavor. So, yeah. All right, guys, got my oil going for my egg rolls. Just test it to see if they're ready. Yeah, if you can see that, yeah, they're just about ready. The only thing, this is a chopstick, little wooden stick you put in. And test the oil if you don't have flour or whatever. Okay, guys, here we are. Yep, they're ready. There we go. Just do 2 at a time. Slide them in there. The oil cover them, and you cook them until they're brown, nice and golden brown. Not too high, not too low. Right in the middle, medium. It's a little medium high. It's medium high. Guys, it's just about done. I had to turn them a bit because they touched the bottom. I normally use a really deep pot, but this is fine. As long as they're nice and brown, we should be fine. Look at that nice color coming. Remember the ingredients on inside are it's already cooked, so just a nice brownie on the shell here. I mean the roll here, and you're good. I'll check these out. Baking sheet with a little screen on it. Bam. Didn't take long at all. I'm going to get the other 2 done off camera and I'll be right back. Look at that, guys. All done, all done. I think I can sing these videos. Goodness. Y'all see them? Yes, boy. Yes, boy. chili cheese egg rolls. Okay, so here we go. Got one out. Just want to cut it. I want to bite into it, but I'm afraid I'm gonna cut myself. Yeah, I'm gonna hurt myself. Oh, look at that, guys. Chili cheese egg roll. You see why I left it thick and not put the beans and nothing in it, just the meat? Everybody don't like beans. I ain't want nobody to say, I don't like my beans. But here we go. The jalapeno, got the cheddar cheese, tomatoes, the sausage, the ground beef like I like it. Yeah, let's go ahead and taste this, guys. All right, fam. Y'all saw it. I tasted like off my finger and the jalapeno. I'm glad I added them. Chili cheese burritos, man. Yeah. These things are delicious. Woo. You can't go wrong. Yeah, take a look at that. It was easy, man. I think the longest time was to cook the chili. Once I got in the oil, as you guys saw, it didn't take no time. And these things were doubled up, so see a little double? Yeah, they were doubled up. So if you do them, you can double up, it's fine. Look at that, man. Yes, yes, yes. Woo! One more for the one time. And they grease it too. Look at that. That good grease. Yum, yum, yum. Oh, I know I ain't supposed to have this, but check it out. Delicious. If you want to dip it, you can dip it in some more cheese or some mustard. I like mustard with my chili. But I really don't need nothing. Because you put the right amount of cheese in it. So I think the meat is, let me show you. I left the meat chunky. See on the end right there? Where it's chunky, still chunky right there. So I filled it up really well. And the cheese is perfect on top. I may put a little bit more jalapeno. Because that's hitting. I got the rest. I think I got the rest of the chili here cooking for a later meal. So, boom, 2 in 1, bam. All right, guys. Thank you for your support. Thank you for watching your boy. New video coming soon, of course. I'm back on it. We're gonna run with some different content, not just food, but some other adventures and whatnot. But yeah, I mean, on a healthy tip. So I only ate one egg roll. Only ate one. See, I got 3 right here left. So I only ate one. I might eat another one later, but for now, just one. And I ate a salad today, and I had bananas this morning, and some oranges, and a bowl of cereal. So, hope you guys are doing well. Actually, I pray you guys are doing well. If you're just watching the video, please like and subscribe. We'd love to have you join the family, and I'm sure we'll be growing here soon. And let's love. Everybody stay safe. Not sure about the vaccination, so if you guys feel safe about it, pray about it before you do it. And I'll see you guys next video. Peace.